Okay, turn left lah, I think.
Turn left, okay.
Turn left better this way. It's crazy powerful this.
Crazy powerful. This is my first time driving an EV also. There's no driving modes here, only one driving mode.
Got one driver which is this is off-road. Off-road mode. Yeah.
Oh yeah, very wow. The instant top. So this car, the delivery, is that waiting list for this car?
Next year only can delivery.
For next year lah.
Yeah. Even now, even now, this year we collect the booking. And the pricing, I think this is a EV car considered is a cheaper one.
It's below 300.
262. Yeah.
262.
Yeah.
It's actually quite okay.
262.
The range also quite good, 400 plus, right?
Yeah. All come with the 360-degree camera. Yeah. Then 3 motor.
What's the range?
And also this model will not affected by the SSD lah. Even after March collect the car also no SSD.
Well, that's already EV exemption, right?
Yeah, because and also this is CKD model.
CKD model.
Not affected.
Okay.
Yeah. Turn left again.
Very quiet.
To 100, 4.9 seconds only.
4.9 seconds.
Below 5 seconds.
Wow. Very, very fast.
Yeah. Like the sport car engine put in this
SUV
model lah.
Yeah.
Turn left, turn right.
What's the range of this car? The electric range?
If you, according to the advertisement, the brochure, full charge 418
Well, usually in real world, 300 plus.
I think 370 to 380 lah.
370 to 380
kilometer lah.
Still quite okay.
Max I think 370 lah.
370 lah.
370 already, plus minus lah. So later on you don't need to drive in lah.
So I drove before the normal XC40, the 2-liter one.
The petrol, the commercial engine lah.
Yeah, only the combustion without the PHEV.
That one no longer lah, that model.
But that one is very powerful, the model.
Yeah lor.
The unit.
The horse.
Oh, instant top, electric car. Very car already start deliver already not?
Already started.
Delivered.
Already.
Already.
Yeah, delivered. Because we are first batch mass delivery event on April 500,
Wow,
maybe
a lot.
more than.
You also got all those safety features, is it? Those like adaptive cruise control,
Yes.
pilot assist,
Yeah.
and blind spot. Those.
Yeah. Same with other model lah. Or it's a standard feature.
Because Volvo is the safest car, they say. Actually, the rival for this car, I believe, is the EQA, is it? Mercedes EQA? Electric.
EQA.
EQA.
Yeah,
But-
EQA.
It's not as powerful as this, the EQA.
EQA, yeah lah. 300, the horsepower I think is 300 over, 300 something only, and the torque also 400 plus only I think. Our is 760.
More
Yeah.
better.
Because our is a three motor. Their motor, the model is a single motor only. Single motor.
So this one is considered all-wheel drive.
4-wheel drive, yeah, of course.
Really 100.
100 already, yeah lah.
Original 100
yeah.
already. Just over only.
Yeah, that's all.
Like just like not even half already, then come very far. Like for KL, the charging station is already complete, is it? Or still?
You mean the DC charging?
DC, yes.
I don't think so lah. But you can download the app. You can according to apps to check lah where got the DC charge or wall box or
If wallbox?
But the good thing is the 9002 you can add in the car price lah.
And then after that you need like give the
Yeah, you can like the standard accessory lah to get the, because if you one shot you pay 10,000, you feel like wow, quite
A lot
expensive.
lah, yeah.
If you put in the car price, you in the installment lah, like the car installment, they will feel, hey, every month not even 50 ringgit only. Yeah,
I feel it's a must lah.
Yeah,
Wall box.
must.
Fast.
If you want to buy this car, you must install the wall box at home lah. As long you use as a second car lah, you don't bother, never mind lah. I like, then weekend I drive the car only, then you can consider lah. Yeah, no need to purchase a wall box.
Alright.
But you go to DC charge quite expensive now, you know. Not so common, you know. They calculate in the timing. 10 minutes, if no mistaken, 40 ringgit though.
Oh, expensive.
If you go DC charge 40 minutes can be full charge lah. So if you divide lah, let's say 10 minutes, 40 ringgit, you divide by 4 160 already. Even expensive than the petrol.
Yeah, more expensive.
No word lah.
No.
Yeah.
So DC is better, is it?
Of course DC, but DC normally they will, because the station is very expensive, few 100,000. So I think will not people install at home lah. There's under commercial lah.
Mostly at shopping mall, is it?
No, petrol station.
Petrol station.
Shopping mall, or the new car showroom lah. Like
Like the Shell station. They got the
petrol,
DC
mostly in the petrol station lah.
sound.